Welcome to today's video. In this video we will talk about how to create this beautiful rainbow loader animation in Jetpack Compose. You can see the final output right here on this emulator, and let's jump into the code. Alright, let's start by defining our main function and consider its parameters. So we create a composable rainbow loader, and it already includes a modifier parameter. Next we need arc spacing parameter, to adjust the space between arcs. Then we have initial radius, which is the radius of the innermost arc. Then we also have a stroke width, to control the thickness of the arcs. Next one is stroke cap, which allows us to style the tips of the arcs. The last parameter is a list of colors that we want to display starting from the center. We name it arc colors. I'll specify my list. You may use whatever colors you want. Before we implement the function, we need to create another composable function called rainbow arc, which will render a single arc for the loader. So it takes a color of the arc, a total animation duration, a delay for that specific arc. Also it takes a radius, its stroke width, and a stroke cap. Alright, first of all, we need to define an infinite transition. Give it a label. Now we use this infinite transition to create a rotation animation. This animation runs from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. For animation spec, we should use infinite repeatable. And now for animation, we use a custom keyframes. Set duration millis to duration minus delay, and delay millis we set to delay. Now we need to specify the key points, and first of all we want to have 0 degrees at fraction 0. Then we want to have 400 degrees at fraction half, using fast out linear in easing. And then we want to come back to 360 degrees at fraction 1. Now we use linear out slow in easing. Also, we need to specify a label parameter. Now we use Canvas Composable to render the arc. And we need to set its size to radius multiplied by 2 and apply the rotation. Now inside of the canvas we need to draw an arc start angle is equal to minus 180 degrees, sweep angle is equal to 180 degrees, and we don't want to use center. Also, we need to specify style, which is stroke style. Turn the stroke width into pixels, and for the cap we just paste our stroke cap. Alright, we are done with that function. Now we can come back to the rainbow loader function, and first of all let's calculate the total animation duration based on the amount of colors in the list, and we will remember it. We use remember with key, and the key is our colors. The base duration of the animation is 1000 milliseconds, plus we want to add 100 milliseconds for each color in the list. Now we can use a box composable we also need to align the content to the center. And now inside of this box we need to render an arc for each color. So we use arc colors for each indexed. The duration is equal to duration. The delay is equal to 100 multiplied by index plus 1. And the radius is equal to initial radius plus arc spacing plus stroke width multiplied by index. Alright, we are done with the function. Now we can jump into the main activity and take a look what we've built. Now we are in the main activity, and to use our rainbow loader we just need to call the function. And also I would like to change the stroke cap to round. And now let's launch the application and take a look at the output. Alright, the application has launched and we can see this beautiful output. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, and I will see you in the next one.